Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. We help you speak English with confidence. Today, we are learning a very useful tense in English, the present continuous tense. It's also called the I am doing tense. Let's get started. What is present continuous? The present continuous is used when something is happening right now. For example, Sarah is driving to work. That means she is in the middle of the action. She has started it, but it's not finished yet. Examples: I am eating. She is reading. They are playing. Meaning of present continuous. This tense shows something is happening now or around now. The action has started and it's not done yet. Let's look at some more examples. Please be quiet. I am studying. Where is John? He's taking a shower. Look outside. It isn't raining anymore. Are you enjoying the party? I'm going to bed. Good night. Not always this second. Sometimes we use this tense. Even if the action isn't happening right this second. Let me explain. Imagine Tom and Anne are at a cafe. Tom says, I'm reading a really interesting book these days. I'll give it to you when I finish it. He's not reading it at that moment, but he has started and is still reading it. That's present continuous too. More real life examples. Let's look at more everyday examples. Emily wants to live in Italy, so she's learning Italian. My friends are building a house. It's not done yet, but the work is happening now. Use it for things happening around now. This tense is great for things happening these days. Examples: You're working hard this week. Yes, I have a lot to do. Is Tina working today? No, she's on all day. Use it for changes now. We also use this tense to talk about things that are changing. The world is changing. Listen to these examples. The cost of food is going up. Is your English getting better? We use the present continuous for progress and growth. Let's review. Use am, is, or are plus verb ing. It shows something is happening now or something temporary or changing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple lessons. See you next time. Bye for now.